Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking Afghan Style Chicken Kebabs. There's a lot of different versions of kebabs out there, but these are Afghan Style. To start, you'll need a stick blender. Next, you need half a green bell pepper, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger. Blend until it becomes a paste. Next, cut 2 chicken breasts in half before slicing in the cubes. We're going to use chicken breasts because at high heat they'll be cooked quickly and they'll stay nice and tender. Add the chicken to a mixing bowl. Then add the paste. Season with 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of hot paprika. Finally, half a cup of olive oil. Mix the chicken through the seasoning. Make sure the chicken is fully coated. Wrap with cling wrap and leave to marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours. When you're ready to cook, you'll need a couple of sheiks. These are a flat-sided skewer like a sword to hold onto your meat. Take a piece of chicken and push the skewer through the thickest side. Add 7 to 8 pieces per skewer. These are ready to be cooked. Next, light a chimney of charcoal. I'm using clean heat charcoal. I'm using the base of my small spit. It's perfect for holding these skewers. Place the meat over the charcoal and cook on one side. To keep the charcoal as hot as possible, you need to fan it. I'm using an old ice cream container lid. Continue to fan, this will help the charcoal to stay nice and hot and cook the meat as fast as possible. Once cooked on the first side, flip and cook on the other. These are looking and smelling absolutely amazing. Once they're cooked on both sides, take them off the heat. Serve on some naan bread or my favourite, Afghan rice. There you have it, Afghan style chicken kebabs. These are packed full of flavour and are pretty damn easy to make. These make for a great shared meal. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.